Dear students, good morning, namaste. Yesterday we started the exercise 10.1. Okay, na? And we solved three problems also. And I completed the types of vectors. On that concept, we started the exercise and solved three problems. Now, this is the fourth one. Fourth one. Identify by using this diagram. It is a square. Clearly, you may see in your textbook. It is a square. In this square, the sides are given by the vectors. A bar, B bar, C bar and D bar. But we are given the directions are also. We are given the directions. You see, A bar is from left to right. B bar is from top to bottom. C bar is right to left. And again D bar is from top to bottom. But here the vertices are not given. We may mention, of course. But by using this diagram, we are asked three questions, which are coinitial vectors, which are equal vectors, which are collinear but not equal vectors. These are the questions. By using this diagram, you see, coinitial vectors. If you mention the vertices, suppose it is P, it is Q, it is R, and it is S, just like you assume. P, Q, R, S. P, Q bar is A bar. The vector may, in two types, it can be denoted. Initial point, terminal point, P, Q bar. But with a single letter, A bar, it is mentioned A bar also. Again, PS bar. PS bar is also P and S. PS bar, initial point, terminal point. It is also denoted by a single letter D bar. For A bar and B bar, that is PQ bar and PS bar, having the same point P as a initial point. So coinitial vectors means A bar and D bar. Okay now? So we may write here the fourth one for the coinitial vectors. Coinitial. For coinitial vectors are A bar and D bar. Okay, A bar and D bar. But here we are not given the vertices. Just we mention the vertices. We assume the vertices. Next, second question in that fourth Arabic number, equal vectors. We know that equal vector means two concepts. Equal magnitude, same direction. You see, here PQ bar, RS bar, direction is like this. RS bar, PQ bar, left to right, right to left. So, they are not equal. Of course, magnitudes are equal. Whereas, QR bar, PS bar, having the same direction, they are parallel because opposite sides are parallel in a square. This is a square. So, B bar and D bar are equal vectors. Here, equal vectors. Equal vectors are B bar and D bar. Okay, na? Right. Next, third one. Collinear but not equal. Here, we have to concentrate. It is a somewhat different concept. Collinear but not equal. Third one, observe it. Collinear but not equal. But not equal means, but not equal vectors. Equal vectors means magnitudes equal at the same direction. Same direction, parallel, 0 degrees. What is collinear? I taught you already. The collinear vectors, suppose a p bar, it is bp bar or pb bar. Okay, now a bar and b bar, single with single letters. A bar and b bar are lying on the same line. Not only that one, it is also. Suppose a p bar, bp bar, b bar, or otherwise x bar and y0, y bar. Here also they are collinear. Like that I explained in the old books and old traditional way. Clearly I mentioned what is collinear vectors and what are the parallel vectors. Parallel vectors, suppose this is a bar and it is b bar. Parallel vectors means their lines of directions are parallel. Here also parallel. A bar, b bar are parallel. Here also parallel are lying, but the difference is they are lying on the same line. Okay, don't confuse. But here is different. It is a parallel vector. So somewhat difference is there between parallel vectors and collinear vectors. But in our syllabus, only collinear vectors are given, not parallel vectors. I want to distinguish the difference. These are parallel vectors. Parallel vectors. It is collinear vector. Okay, now. But now, here collinear. By seeing the diagram, where the collinear vectors? Collinear or not? A bar, B bar are not collinear. A bar and D bar not collinear. A bar and C bar, we may see that they are parallel vectors but not collinear. But here is somewhat confusion is there, but a fantastic concept. Here they are collinear. I will tell that A bar, C bar are collinear but not equal. Here, first I will write the third one. A bar and C bar are collinear but not equal. With the concentration, you try to understand it. But not equal, we can understand. Because A bar is left to right, C bar is right to left. Of course, parallel and they are equal in magnitude, but not same. Direction is same. P to Q, S to R is there, then A bar, C bar are equal. But here, P to Q and R to S is there. A bar, C bar, equal in magnitude, but not in the direction. They are opposite directions, not same direction. So they are not equal vectors. Yes, perfectly we can understand. But the confusion is here only. How can we say A bar and C bar are collinear? Here is the thing. You see, I will plan. It is a square, that one. It is A bar and this is a C bar. Yeah. They are equal in magnitude, not same in the direction. Yes, okay. They are not equal vectors. Yes, this part is okay. But the equal vectors concept is there. Equal vectors means, you see, just here. This is a B bar, X bar. This is the same length, say 5 units, these are 5 units. It is a PQ bar, same direction. This is a Y bar. X bar and Y bar are equal. Okay, now? If this PQ bar is here also, PQ bar, here also, it is also equal. Where? But at the concept is it must be in the same direction, not in opposite direction, parallel. You see, by using this concept, here x bar and y bar both are equal vectors, both are same. You see, here I want to mention, this is PQ na RS equal to PQ bar, that is you assume. I draw A bar. So A bar here and here the same. And C bar, you mentioned C bar here. Of course, the directions are same. They are parallel, equal. For C bar also it is equal. Okay, now you see, this A bar and C bar is taken on the same line. Okay, na? So here A bar and C bar are collinear. They are lying on the same line. So here we can say A bar and C bar are collinear but not equal. Why? Because they are not equal means they are in opposite direction. But the lines of directions can be parallel to a line, or otherwise you take like this, it can be clear. For this PQ bar, A bar, I take here, they are equal vectors. Okay, na? For C bar, opposite direction, yes, opposite direction. Okay, now A bar and C bar are lying on the same line. By using the equivalent, for this one it is equal vector, for this one this is equal vector, but the two vectors are lying on the same line. By using that concept, we say that A bar and C bar are collinear but not equal. Okay, na? Like that. Next, fifth one. True or false? Very simple. A bar and minus A bar are collinear. Yes, collinear. True, it is true. It is A bar and it is minus A bar. Here AB, BA, AB bar. Okay, na? They are in opposite direction. Will you agree? They are lying on the same line. Of course, we may write it also. A B bar is A bar. It is some other, this vertices we are taking. It is as we will. Just, it is minus A bar. Here the thing is, its lengths are same. But the directions are opposite, because minus is there. A bar, this is A B bar. Minus A bar means it is PQ bar, like this one. Now both are lying on the same line. We may take it. This is A bar and it is minus A bar, lying on the same line. Okay, na? Like this. Now it is lying on the same line. So they are collinear. Yeah, perfectly it is correct. Okay, now, so one is you draw in your notes, you draw it this one. They are collinear. Yeah, so it is true. Yeah, correct. Next, second one. Two collinear vectors are always equal. Need not be equal. Are always there, it fails. Here it is fails. Two collinear vectors. Already I told you. Collinear vector means, for easy understanding, this is AB bar, X bar, and this is BC bar, Y bar, and it is DC bar, like this. DC bar, direction is reverse. It is Z bar. Suppose it is of length 5 units, 6 units, 7 units. It's a different one. Whatever it may be, the magnitude, or irrespective of magnitudes, they are magnitudes. But their lines of directions are lying on the same line. Okay, na? Now they are collinear. Need not be equal. Of course, may be equal. It may be equal. It is a different one. May be equal or may not be equal. That is not the question, irrespective of their magnitude. But here it is always equal in magnitude. So it is wrong. It is correct. First one is correct. So second one is false. Okay now? Yeah. Next. Third one. Two vectors having same magnitude are collinear. Two vectors of same magnitude are collinear. Now, two vectors, suppose a B bar or will take. A bar is 5 units, say it is A bar. And it is the same length 5 units, but it is B bar. They are not parallel. How can you say these two lines are they parallel to a single line at the same line? No. So here A bar and B bar are with a different angle. So they are not collinear. But the magnitudes are equal. It is 5 units. It is also 5 units. Length is same. But vectors directions are different. So two vectors having the same magnitude, they are collinear. No, wrong. Need not be. Like this, or sometimes maybe, but always it is not correct. So third one also, here third one also false. Next, fourth one. What is the fourth one? Two collinear vectors having the same magnitude are equal. It is also not necessarily not. You see, two collinear vectors are having the same magnitude. It is A, B, C. It is A bar, it is B bar. Two collinear vectors. If like this, they are collinear. Of course, their magnitudes, it is 5 units, it is 5 units. Here A bar and B bar are equal? No. Magnitudes are equal. Having the same magnitude. Are they equal? No, need not be. Suppose A B bar, A C bar is there. A B bar, B C bar net. It is A bar and B bar. It is 5 units length. It is also 5 units length. Now it is okay. Here it is. Yeah. A bar and B bar are equal here. But here, opposite direction. Not it. But in both cases, they are collinear. You try to understand. Two collinear vectors. Both cases, A bar and B bar are collinear. And both cases, they have the same magnitude 5, 5, 5, 5. Yes, correct. But here there is opposite direction, there is same direction. There it fails. So not they have magnitude equal. Okay, now two collinear vectors having the same magnitude are equal. Equal vectors. No. Of course, their magnitudes are equal, but they are not equal. So here also fourth one, it fails. So it is also false. Okay now? You see, only first one is true, second, third and fourth. You try to understand. In these two cases, may or may not. Statement is sometimes it may, sometimes it may not. So totally the statement is wrong. It is false. The 3 is false. Only first one is correct. Okay, na? Like that. These are all very simple. 1 mark, 2 mark bits like that. Okay, na? Yeah. That exercise is closed. Okay. Next.